how we rank on Google using Reddit in 90 days. Here is an example. Best AI tools for finance, and you see there are 2 posts that currently showing up on Google on the first page. You need to use similar tools like Ahrefs for keywords, and for example, let's say we want to target best AI tools for finance. Click on search, and there are similar keywords: best AI tools for finance professionals, for document, and etc. 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 In your case it will be different, depends on your niche and your business. So let's say we want to target best AI tools for finance. Then we go to Google, we type this keyword, best AI tools for finance. Here is the first page, and you see those 2 posts are coming from Reddit, and they are on the first page on Google. Okay, we need to check them and understand how they are ranking right now. The main thing that you need to focus is basically your title. You need to include your keywords in the title. So for example, in this case, it has AI tool, finance in the first post, and in the second, AI, financial, and this is basically how they rank. Also, it really depends on keyword. You need to have as maximum engagement as possible. So for example, this post got around 0 upvotes, but also 16 comments. The second post got 20 upvotes and 17 comments. And also you need to optimize for community. If for example I am ranking on finance, I need to find finance communities. So for example, if you have educational application, you need to write posts in educational communities. The next step, let's say for example we want to create posts in this subreddit. We click on create, then we copy this title. We need to paste it, then we need to edit or tweak the title. So for example, let's say instead of leveraging, we can say use AI for your financials. We can say like that. And basically the next step, what we need to do, we need to write content, we need to write in similar subreddits, and we also need to drive engagement. And basically after a few weeks it will be ranking on Google and ChatGPT. If you want to have the same free audit for your business, check the link below. Bye.